The first Rafale fighter jet was handed over to the Indian Air Force on 8 October, and according to latest media reports, the French firm Dassault Aviation has handed over 3 more Rafale fighter jets to the Indian Air Force, and they will now be used to train Indian pilots and technicians in France, while the first batch of 4 Rafale fighter jets will arrive in India by May 2020. India has successfully tested its indigenously developed Prithvi-II nuclear-capable tactical surface-to-surface system as part of a user trial by the Strategic Forces Command. 2 Prithvi-II systems were randomly chosen from the production stock and were tested consecutively for a range of 350 kilometers, and both tests met all the required parameters and used advanced inertial guidance system with maneuvering trajectory to hit its target. According to latest media reports, the Trump administration has notified the US Congress of its approval to sell $1 billion worth of naval systems to India, which will significantly enhance the combat capabilities of the Indian Navy. The foreign military sale of 13 MK-45 naval systems and related equipment will cost an estimated $1 billion, which will be manufactured by BAE Systems Land and Armaments of the US. The Indian Army plans to buy only 1,800 state-of-the-art sniper rifles and 2.7 million rounds of ammunition, which is less than a third of its original requirement of 5,720 sniper rifles and 10 million rounds of ammunition worth $140 million, which was scrapped in July this year, after the 4 participating manufacturers failed to meet technology transfers for manufacturing the ammunition by Indian industry. The Aeronautical Development Agency and the Indian Navy have agreed to start a new twin-engine deck-based fighter program, as the Indian Navy has refused to come aboard the Naval N-Tejas MK2 program due to concern regarding its single-engine configuration. The new 4.5 generation fighter jet will be lighter than the 25-ton naval AMCA and will be more capable than the MiG-29K operated by the Indian Navy, and experts have said that its production is not expected to start before 2030. The Indian Navy has reoriented its fleet patterns after it found a number of Chinese ships and submarines venturing into the Indian Ocean. The Indian Navy has started the process of equipping its ships with sophisticated electronic navigation systems, which will be capable of monitoring multiple ships on multiple routes. India and Singapore has signed a letter of intent to register the commitment of both sides to conclude a memorandum of understanding that will allow the use of its integrated test range facility. India has offered the setting up of joint test facilities, and Singapore has agreed to explore opportunities for joint collaboration in the fields of artificial intelligence, geospatial data sharing and cybersecurity.
Omar dropped it.